Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add money to your PayPal account using a credit card. The process is quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your card and use it with your PayPal account for payments and transfers. Before we begin, it's important to know that in many countries, PayPal doesn't allow direct transfers from a credit card to your PayPal balance. Instead, you can link your credit card and use it for payments and transactions through PayPal for payments and transactions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set that up correctly. First, go to the official PayPal website. Click the Login button in the top right corner and sign in using your email address and password to access your account dashboard.
After signing in, you'll be taken to your PayPal homepage. From here, look for the Wallet section in the top menu and click on it. The Wallet area is where you can manage all of your payment methods, including bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. Inside the Wallet page, click on the option that says Link a Card or Bank. PayPal will then ask whether you want to connect a bank account or a debit or credit card. Choose the option for linking a debit or credit card to continue. Now it's time to enter your card information. Carefully type in your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address exactly as they appear on your card statement. Double-check everything before moving forward, because incorrect details may cause the card verification to fail.
Once all the information is entered, click on the Link Card button. PayPal may take a few moments to process and verify your card information. In some cases, your bank might send you a verification code or security notification to confirm the connection. Once completed, your credit card will appear in the Wallet section and be ready to use for payments, online purchases, subscriptions, and other PayPal transactions without re-entering your card details each time. If your country supports it, you may see an Add Money option in PayPal. However, this usually works with linked bank accounts rather than credit cards, so availability may vary depending on your region and account type. And there you have it. That's the updated and correct way to use a credit card with your PayPal account in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how PayPal credit card linking works and cleared up some common confusion about adding money to PayPal. If you found this guide useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials like this one.